Hi, we're back for another quick lesson. We have talked about using just two notes in our songs. For some of our songs, we can play them using just two chords. We've stripped down to even just two notes, the names of the chords. And our first lesson we had us doing with the thumbs. But now I want you to go back to those same two songs and I want you to try using just your left hand. Put finger 5, that pinky, on the C, and your thumb, finger 1, on the G. And practice going back and forth. What can wash away my sin? Nothing but the blood of Jesus. And you're going to use the C and the G that are on the slightly left side of the piano. So they're going to be a little bit lower toned, more in the bass notes. Because later we're going to add other things with your right hand. So let's start getting your left hand used to playing the C and the G. And if you want to take a little step ahead, you can let finger 2, that pointer finger, it's sitting on an F, you can practice letting him play. So just go back and forth and play the C, the G, the F, the G, the C, the F, the C, the G. Just those three notes, just practice playing those three and getting those three fingers used to working a little bit independently. And that will really help you to be able to jump ahead a little bit in this learning. Again, this is Sandy at Play for Ministry. I'll be talking to you later.